Thank you for registering for the 2021 Consumer Food Safety Education Virtual Conference. We've prepared this short orientation video to make your event experience a smooth one. In order to attend the live conference, you will click on the Event Hub tab on the conference website and log in with the email and password you set up during registration. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link and a reset email will be sent to you. Once you are logged into the Event Hub, you will see the schedule for each day's presentation laid out on the page. Presentations are grouped by type for each day. There are 4 types of presentations. The plenaries, which are the live general sessions for all attendees. Community connector talks, which are provided by our sponsors. Concurrent track sessions, which are presentations grouped into 2 tracks, Cutting Through Clutter, What's Working to Engage Consumers, and Safe Food Handling in Today's Food Landscape. And finally, we have our poster sessions. All of the sessions are run through the Zoom video platform. You will be taken to Zoom for the interactive sessions and can return to the Event Hub for other sessions that you'd like to attend. For the plenaries, community connector talks, and concurrent track sessions, simply click on the blue View Session button to watch the presentation. The live presentations will only be available at the posted day and time and not before. If the session is ready to be viewed, you will see the blue Click Here for Live Session button. If you click on this button, it will then take you to the webinar in Zoom. If you click on the View Session button too early, you will see the blue The Meeting is Not Yet Available button. In this case, check the time and the date to make sure you're not attempting to enter the session too early. For those who attend the sessions later after the live sessions have played, on-demand recordings will be available. As it does take us some time to process these recordings, they may not be available immediately after the live presentation, but a message on the screen will indicate when they will be loaded to the Event Hub. For poster sessions, we want to emulate the feeling of being in an in-person poster session. There are 24 posters, each with their own separate Zoom meeting room. You can move from room to room during the hour-long sessions and feel free to stay as long as you like in each room. The poster partners will be available to have interactive discussions with their attendees. To attend a poster session, click on the blue Go to Poster Session Hub button. In order to find the poster presentation you are interested in, you have 2 choices. You can scroll through the list of titles at the top of the page and click on the poster that you want, and that will take you down to the detailed poster session information. Or you can browse through the detailed poster descriptions and find the ones that you'd like to visit. Once you've found a poster that you want to visit, simply click on the blue Go to Poster Session button that has the number that corresponds to the number of the title of the presentation. You can also download PDF versions of each of the posters before or after your visit. Another feature that you can use during the event is the Attendee List and Meetings option, which can be found on the top menu. You can search for an attendee and request a one-to-one meeting with them, which will be handled live via video chat through the platform. If you're interested in using this feature, we will have another video with more detailed information on how to use it. If at any time during the event you need technical support or have questions, there will be a live widget where you can enter your questions and our staff can help you. We hope you have a wonderful event experience and look forward to seeing all of you on March 9th through 12th, 2021. Thank you.